I'm Deepali Ohri and I started my YouTube channel in the December of 2017. Baking has always been my passion, my stress buster, and I especially want to state here that I am a no professional. If anyone like me who has never taken any classes in baking can bake, I don't doubt that anyone else can bake too. My love for baking and constant requests from my family and friends to share a particular recipe or to bake a cake for them made my younger son shoot a video of me when I was baking a Christmas cake that year in December 2017. He edited the video himself and then he posted, creating my YouTube channel. People liked the video and he motivated me to post more and more, and so it all started from there and there was no looking back. My channel is all about those yummy, delicious dessert recipes that you want to try for your family and friends. Because believe me, if I can bake, you all can too. Because I don't have any professional knowledge, any professional qualification in baking. I just have passion for baking. And if you have that passion too, you can also bake. The mission of my YouTube channel is to promote home-baked goodies, which sometimes seems impossible to make at home. You just have to follow my recipes and step-by-step instructions. This channel is for people who love baking and enjoy learning new techniques and recipes so that you can make delicious and yummy recipes for your family and friends at home. You will find videos every Tuesday and Friday on my channel, including no-bake recipes, some baking recipes, eggless recipes, fresh fruit desserts, and many more. My videos come with step-by-step instructions so that you can make anything with confidence. And through my channel, I also want to bring forward some different desserts from different countries and regions, so that it's easy for you to make those desserts and it's easy for you to know what are the famous desserts all over the world. I'm really passionate about chasing international desserts across the globe. And apart from posting videos on YouTube, I also write recipes on my blog, which you can find at www.deepaliohri.com. I'm also open for suggestions, so whenever you want me to make something special for you, which you want to learn, you have to mention the dessert name in the comment section below my video, and I'll be more than happy to do that. Do follow me on my social media pages, which are linked in the About section of my YouTube channel. I thank every one of you who visit my channel because your support means everything to me. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to press that little bell icon so that you get all the notifications whenever I post a new video. So until next time, take good care of yourself and happy baking!